so I duplicated the key. Duplicated the key that worked a few moments ago, but I filed too deep right here. I added some extra material on it, and I definitely kicked it up over here. I'm going to correct the spot real quick. So I'm going to get these lines out of it here. So there's ridges in the top of the key where the cutting wheel skipped across. And I'm going to just use my file to clean those surfaces up. Real lightly, so it's easier to see a mark. Okay. We should be close. See at that angle. Okay. I think I see one obvious mark in the fourth position. Okay. There we go. So it's turned. It's really tight. I'm not going to turn it or force it, because if I did, there's a chance it would get stuck if I forced it to turn over. We have a humongous mark in the 5th position, and we have a little decent mark in the 2nd position. Okay. I don't want to mess up since this is my 2nd key. Okay. So it turns partially and then gets stuck. I believe this is a master ring padlock, so it has 2 shear lines. Okay, let's see what we got going on. Looks like 3 and 5 are marking really well. It's real tight. Okay. Still not the best. Don't know why. No heavy impression marks. Oh, there actually is one heavy impression mark in position 3, it looks like. You see it up on the ridge. Right there. For whatever reason, it's marking right there. Could be because I didn't have it opened up wide enough. We'll see. Ooh. Well, that's pretty smooth right there. It's big. It's heavy. Big shackle. Still works. I'm gonna have to wear in that pin. Gotta push the key down just a hair. Just a hair. And it's glass. If you don't push it down a hair, it's stuck. Push it down a hair, and she turns. Still think I filed the 5th position a little too deep. What's that make? Makes a bunch of locks that have impression today. All pin tumbler too. There's 2 padlocks. I did a mortise cylinder SC1 keyway. I did this padlock. 4-pin. This little guy. Oops. This guy. And I did this one today.